Hello, my name is Cooper from Weatherford BMW, and today I want to talk about the advanced intelligent safety features in this vehicle, specifically the automatic PDC and braking intervention. So we're going to go to Car, and we're going to go to Settings, and we're going to go to Driving Assistances right there, and we're looking for Parking and Maneuvering. So we're looking for the automatic PDC with braking intervention. This isn't standard on the vehicle activated. So if you want to manually turn that on, you can. It's called emergency braking in the rear and emergency braking on the sides. This is very handy, if you're in a situation where, you need that assistance. You should never solely rely on it. But, this will definitely assist you if you're, backing up and, you're not the best at parking, or you just want that extra, precaution. You can turn these on right here to make sure that you don't accidentally hit a object of some sort. There's some other safety features down here as well, like automatic parking, stuff like that, if you have that available in your vehicle. But especially, the automatic PDC with braking intervention will definitely assist you. Again, this is Cooper from Weatherford BMW. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.